student. Today we are going to study about the generation of computers. Do you know what the term generation means? In the term of time, it means age group. Just example, you are your parents' child. Similarly, your father is your grandparents' child. So, your parents are in the first generation of your grandparents and you are in second generation of your grandparents. Just example, you are a child of your parents, so and your parents are a child of your grandparents, so your parents are a first generation of your grandparents and you are in second generation of your grandparents. Everyone understood here? Next, in this case of you, your grandfather, father and you, there are three generations. Similarly, the computer also has different generation. Generation of computers. Computers are classified into 5 generations based on the technology used, the way, the work and their size. Computers have a 5 generation. Now first I discuss with you first generation computers. The first generation computers had the following features. They use vacuum tubes. The first generation computers use the vacuum tube. Look at this picture. The first picture is a vacuum tube. They were very expensive. The cost of this vacuum tube is very expensive. They were heavy and large in a size. The size of vacuum tube is very large and heavy. They generate a lot of heat. Vacuum tube generate a lot of heat. The first generation computers in 1942 to 1955. The examples of first generation computers: EDVAC, ENIAC and UNIVAC. Now discuss the second generation computers. The second generation computers in 1956 to 1964. Second generation computers have the following features. They use electronic devices called a transistor. They were smaller in size than the first generation computer. Look at this picture. The first picture is transistor. The transistor is the very smaller in size than the first generation computer. They were faster. The speed of transistor is very fast and less expensive than first generation computer. Transistor is less expensive than first generation computer. Here I am giving you examples. ENIAC 1401, IBM 700, CDC 160. This is the example of second generation. Next, third generation computers. In 1965 to 1971, third generation computers had the following features. They use electronic device. It is called ICS. The full form of IC, integrated circuits. They were smaller in size and less expensive than second generation computers. Look at this picture. The first picture is integrated circuit and second one is IBM 360. It is a very less expensive. The size of third generation is smaller, very smaller. They were faster and more accurate than second generation computer. The third generation speed is very fast and work is very accurate. The example of third generation, IBM 316, ICL 1900 and VAX 7750. Do you know transistor and integrated circuit are electronic devices used in many machines. They both are using many machines such as TV, radio, computer, mobile phone and washing machine. Now the fourth generation computers. The fourth generation computers in 1972 to onwards. The fourth generation computers have the following features. They use a device called a microprocessor. Look at this device. The first picture is microprocessor and second one is HP 9000. The small of microprocessor the size of microprocessor are small. They are cheaper and faster. They are very easy to handle. So the example, IBM 4300, ICL 2900 and HP 9000. This is the they all are the example of fourth generation computers. Now move to fifth generation computers. Fifth generation computers will have the following features. They will be intelligent like human beings and will use artificial intelligence for working. The full form of AI, artificial intelligence. They will be able to think and take a decision like us. The AI, the artificial intelligence will be able to think and take a decision like a human. They will be used in areas such as robotics, design and defense. Do you remember? Artificial intelligence is the technique with which a machine is made to think and take a decision like a human being. Do you know microprocessor was first invented by Intel Corporation in the late 17th century. They revolutionized the computer system completely. Scientists are trying to develop AI in computers. Active research work is going on all over the world.